Another important tip on using wildcard and special combining is in some cases like paragraph mark. If you note that on the regular version, I could enable paragraph mark and find it one by one. Allow me to move in the right side to be easier. Okay. But now, if I enable use wildcards, note that on this special button, we don't have paragraph mark. And if I start finding, nothing gonna find. In this case, actually we could find paragraph mark, but in the alternative method. Each character and any button we press from keyboard has its own ASCII code. The enter or return ASCII code is 13. Actually, you have to enter 013. So if you're using wildcard, instead of paragraph mark, which doesn't work here, you could use the power mark, or you could insert caret character and type 013. This is for enter or return key. Now, if I start finding, you see, now it is working. And one more useful in this case is sometimes you have extra lines, something like that, maybe double, triple, and you wanna finalize and clean your document. Instead of using double and copying that, on this special, we have some operator named num occurrences, which mean how many times it is occurred. I could enable that and type on the first section, for example, 2. Now if I start finding, it is searching any two paragraph mark close together. Of course, the paragraph mark couldn't be in one line two together, so it just went to the next one. Find next, even, you see, more than 2, 3, and it is ideal, I guess, to remove them. So with this combination, I could go to the replace with the same find result and replace only with one character. How? I type the power sign or caret and 013. Replace them all, and there it is. Now we removed every double paragraph or triple or more. And many times we have multiple space, as you know, it is terrible. We don't need to use that. Actually, not here, here, maybe here, and here. Okay, how can I fix that? Again, I don't recommend you to use white spacing, because white spacing, it is, as you remember, any spacing, even something like that. We don't want that. It is not one space. So you could actually use very simple method. Click there and type double space, and here type one space. Or you could type one space, then on the special use number of occurrence and remove more than one. You could type 2, but because I don't want to remove many spaces, I do manually 2 space and here 1 space. Replace them all, and there it is. We removed double space. And finally, some people using wrongly before any period or comma adding space, and this is wrong. How can I fix that? Very easy. One by one you could do that, or by the next videos I want to mention how to combine at the same time multiple characters or operators. But just here space dot replace with dot. Replace them all, okay, and space comma replace with comma. Replace them all. So you don't need, in many cases, actually use a special or combining together or using specific operators. Just simply with thinking, you could find very simple solution.